For what purpose? To learn the rhyme scheme. And side by side, a brief explanation I will give you, and before me, you people give me. Okay? Try to comprehend it, what's in the poem. As I told you the way how to understand, I told you earlier, right? So we will go with the brief, we will go with the reading, then the brief summary, and our main point of today is what we have to learn rhyme scheme. Okay, page number 158 is be a friend poem, and we have to learn today rhyme scheme. Okay, this we have to learn how to find. So let's start with the reading one by one. Stand up. Be a friend. First of all, what is a friend? What is your definition for a friend? Not in Hindi, but give a definition. To whom you will call a friend? Can you call anybody a friend? Everybody here is your friend. Around you, outside the class, in the market, everybody friend. Who is a friend? That help us. That help us when we need. When we are in need, right? Anything else? Who is a true friend? Who is friend? Those help us in our need. Good. So these are the things, personality traits which we are going to learn in this poem. Okay? So let's read it and take it. Yes. Start.
Be a friend. You don't need money. Just a disposition, sunny. Just the wish to help another. Get along some way or other. Just a kindly hand extended out to one who's unbefriended.
Sit down. Next. And this is a poem. So I told you how we have to read in a rhythmical way, right? Yes. It's not the fiction that our reading has to be very monotonous type. So we have to follow that. Okay?
Just be willing to give on land. These will make you someone's friend. Being a friend, you don't need glory. Friendship is a simple story. Pass by trifling.
Trifling. What do you mean by trifling? Anyone? Underline it and write. What is trifling? This also you can write. Okay? Tribal. Yes, continue. Pass by trifling errors blindly.
Honest.
Speak again. Pronounce again.
Just little labor spent on the
Duties.
of a friend.
Sit down. So, while reading, we all have to be louder in the class so that our voice should be audible to the person sitting in the corner, in the last corner even. Okay? See, if I will not speak louder, then you people are not able to listen who are sitting at the back. Okay, Gurkirat? So, we have to develop our reading skills. We should be audible. We should be audible to each and everyone. Okay? Next student. Gurkirat, you have to improve your reading skills. Gurkirat, one page daily at home, and next time you contracted form of work. Contracted form. So what is the full form? Who? What is this? S. Is. Yes. We have already done it. So it occurs in the poem. We have to omit this. We have to write like this, and we will not speak who is, then we will pronounce whose. Okay? According. Then what do you mean by endeavor? Again one word, highlighted word in the poem, endeavor.
Try to do something.
Try to do something on your own. जब हम खुद कुछ try करते हैं करते बाद. Now coming to its summary, then we will do its rhyme scheme. Summary is be a friend. The poet is Edgar A. Guest. Edgar A. Guest. He is saying in this poem, be a friend, you don't need money, just a disposition. फ्रेंड बनने के लिए हमें मनी नहीं चाहिए, जहाँ बनाने के लिए वी डोंट रिक्वायर एनी मनी. ओके, वी कांट बाय अ फ्रेंड, वी कांट बाय अ फ्रेंड. हम किसी को खरीद नहीं सकते. या टेक मनी एंड यू कैन बी माई फ्रेंड. ठीक है. फॉर व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट? आवर टेम्परामेंट शुड बी वेरी गुड. There should be humor, our temperament. Disposition means our temperament. It should be very good. If it is not good, nobody would like to be friended with you. Okay? Nobody. Just the wish to help another, get along some way or other. Just a kindly hand extended out to one who's unbefriended. Another personality trait, what is required is you just have the wish inside you to help another. What you said and Nimesh said. You people told me in the beginning, what is a friend? So to make friend, what type of attitude or temperament you need to carry? Good helping attitude. That you are ready to help the one who is in the need. Always keep this type of attitude. Then of course, other person will be your friend. Okay? And your hand should always be ready to extend. Extend means this is the extended hand. If somebody needs you, you have to help him. It's just a symbolism. ठीक है? हाथ किसी को देना मतलब you are ready to help. Okay? So this type of attitude you have to carry in order to make friends. You don't require any money because friendship can't be bought. Okay? Just the will to give or lend. Look at this line and underline it also. Underline wish to help another, disposition sunny, underline side by side, kindly hand extended, just the will to give or lend, because these are the requirements. So underline just the will to give or lend, this will make you someone's friend. और आप में will होनी चाहिए आपके अंदर की. आप किसी okay somebody requires your pen, you can lend it. ठीक है? You can give it. Somebody requires your notebook, like many people are in school now. So here what your friend will require? Of course, help in studies, or in case he or she might have forgotten the pen or pencil to bring in the school, you can help him or her in this way. Okay? So be ready to lend and give. Okay? So these are the things which require, and it will give you will be somebody's friend immediately. If you have this type of personality, this type of temperament, of course you will be liked by all and everybody will be your friend. Right? Agree? Yes. Now next, look at the next stanza. Be a friend, you don't need glory. Friendship is a simple story. Passed by treating arrows blindly, based on honest, accept kindly. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying, pity him who sadly sighing. Just a little labor spent. So फ्रेंड बनने के लिए, किसी का या बनाने के लिए हमें किसी ग्लोरी की जरूरत नहीं है. बिकॉज फ्रेंडशिप इज जस्ट अ सिंपल स्टोरी. वी नीड नॉट टू डू हार्ड वर्क. ठीक है? वी नीड नॉट टू डू एनीथिंग लाइक इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रेस अदर्स. ठीक है? नथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. जस्ट व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, whenever your friend or your companion does some type of error and it is trivial one, trifle, that is not very important, we can't ignore that. So do ignore, do not give heed to that. Do not give heed to that issue which can be ignored, which is trivial, which is trifle. ठीक है? जो ज़्यादा important नहीं है, we can ignore that because it will help you to develop the bond strong. ठीक है? A good bond you can develop. If you will keep on like picking those things only, okay, you have done this mistake, you have done this with me, you have done this with me, which is not important, then it will not lead you to the good bond. ठीक है? आपकी friendship नीचे को आ जाएगी. ठीक है? So we have to ignore the trivial errors. Errors मतलब mistakes. हाँ, mistakes. Trivial मतलब जो तुच्छ mistakes होती है. In Hindi the word is tush. Okay. So gaze on the honest effort kindly, cheer the youth who's bravely trying. So instead of putting emphasis on the mistakes done by your friend, what you have to do, just remember what the honest effort he has done with you, where he has helped you, where he has been very honest with you, helped you out. Okay, those are the things which you have to keep in your mind. Okay, and again he will be your forever friend if you will keep this type of attitude and temperament, this type of personality. If you will have, of course the other person will be your forever friend. Okay, these are the qualities given in this point. And in case your friend, the person, your companion is sad due to any reason, what you have to do, your duty is just to pity him, you have to sympathize him. Do we do this thing in our friendships? If your friend is sad, what do you do? To make him happy and to sympathize with him what has happened in the school. Why your friend will be sad? Might be due to scoldings. The reason might be like this. In the school, outside the school, the reason will be some other reason, like scolding at the home or something else. He has not got what he wanted to get from the parents or something like this. Okay? So what you have to do whenever he is sad, you just have to sympathize him. Okay? Only this little labor is required to become a very good friend. Only this little labor, इतना सा effort करना है बस. Nothing else is required, and that is why the poet said that this friendship is a simple story. So whatever we have learned till now, do you think something very difficult and we require money or we require the great efforts to make someone our friend? किसी को friend बनाना है तो what is required? Only this type of personality. And what we have underlined, you have to revise that. And this is not only the poem, because you in your daily life need this type of personality. Your attitude should be like this. Okay? Now on the other side, on the duties of a friend, be a friend. The pay is bigger, though not written by a figure, than is earned by people clever in what merely self-endeavor. You will have friends instead of neighbors for the profits of your labors. You will be richer in the end than a prince if you are a friend. Now in the last stanza, what the poet is saying that, see, if you will keep this type of personality, then in the end, you will be rich enough. Rich not in the terms of money, in the figure, like paise, not in that, but in your life you will feel the richest person, because you have love, affection, and a person who is always with you as a friend. And you all know nobody can take place of a friend in our life. Whatever the problems we are facing, somewhere there is a limit of sharing with our parents also. So what we always do, we always share it with our friends. Okay? So that's why we feel the rich if we have a very good friend. Only if one single friend is enough. If we have more than one, that is also good. Okay? But you will feel richer only due to these things. Okay? And it's not in the term of money. And this type of personalities, having the friend instead of the neighbors, it means जो आपके neighbors हैं, अगर आपकी personality ऐसी है तो वो आपके neighbors नहीं रहेंगे, वो भी आपके क्या होंगे? Yes, friend, more than a friend. ठीक है? And then at last, with these qualities, you will feel like a prince. Okay? If you are a friend to someone, or you have a friend like this, or if you are a friend to someone, you will be a prince. अगर ऐसे friend हो आप किसी के, that means you are a prince. So this is the brief, or we have done the summary. ठीक है? Now, any problem here in understanding the poem? First we should know, look at the poem, the last words of each sentence in every stanza. What is the first? Be a friend, you don't need money. The last word is money. I am writing only the word, we always have to check the last word. Why we are doing this? Because in the section A, instead of unseen passage, unseen poem can also come, and the question will come like write the rhyme scheme. And even in our literature, we do the rhyme scheme. Any question, anytime. So we have to learn it. The next line, the last word is
Sunny.
Then
Another.
Then
Other.
next is
Extended.
next
Unbefriended.
unbefriended.
Land.
Land.
Land. Glory.
One stanza. First we will see one. For the rhyme scheme, as I told you earlier, we have to just check the last words as I have written because I can't show you from the book. Last word, first word always we will put A. A for the first. Now we have to see that should it rhyme with the next money, sunny. Are these two rhyming, sunny and money?
Yes, ma'am.
Are these two rhyming? Yes, everyone said.
Yes,
Then that means if it is A, it rhymes with sunny, it is also A. Now, sunny rhymes with another?
No.
No?
No.
We have to write B because it is chained here. It doesn't rhyme here. So next alphabet in our ABC is B. Now let's check the other. Other we have to check with B also, with A also. Okay?
B.
Other.
B.
Sun, is it rhyming with sunny or money?
No.
Is it rhyming with another?
Yes.
We will write
B.
Next word, extended.
C.
Rhyming with A?
No.
Rhyming with B? No. That means it will be C.
C.
C. Next. Land. We have to check from here. Okay? Land goes with this. Land money? No. Land another? No. Land extended? No. That means it is
D.
friend. Again check.
D.
What will come?
D.
Where it is? Name it, sorry.
D. E.
Friend, money, friend, another, friend, extended, friend, land. Where it rhymes? Nowhere? Check again. Unbefriended and friend. Is it rhyming with each other? Are they rhyming with each other? Friend, land. Rhyming?
Yes.
Rhyming. Okay. This I have only written for the very first stanza. We have to write for the complete poem. Now, in our answer, the complete sentence will be like the rhyme scheme is A, B, B. In the same order we have to write here. A, B, C,
D.
Next we will do after some time. We are going to do, but up to here. Four stanzas, so it might go like this. Because its rhyming scheme is A, B, C, D. Okay? But it is not same in all the poems. Sometimes it goes like this. So I'm just giving you example. Here it is A, here it is B. C, D. Again A, B, C, D. Okay? Then here it will come E, F, G. So there is no proper pattern that in this poem it is like this and in another poem it is. We have to check. We have to rhyme the words. We have to write them alphabets. Okay. So it can go like this A, and on the fifth word it can rhyme with the A. So we have to write A. It can again A can rhyme here also after G. It can. Okay, according to the poem. So it can rhyme here. We have to write A. Then we have to go further down in the poem and we have to check E rhyming, F rhyming, and we will write that, and our line will go like this. And so in this case, rhyming scheme, how we will write in this case? It's the rhyme scheme is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay, in that case. In this case, I have written. Now we have two more stanzas which you will do right now in the class, and and we will check in the last whether you have done right or wrong.
What book we have to do?
Yes?
What book we have to do, Ritam?
Yes, in the book, right here. Right here. A, B, whatever the rhyme scheme is, just this is your work now. I am going to give you 1 minute